Hello and welcome to a demonstration of niche genetics. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get data from Yahoo and Bing, and this is available to our enterprise extreme customers and our professional customers. So I've already done a search here for SEO, and from here what you can see towards the top is you have a drop down area that says select search engine. As default it's going to be on Google, and you can choose Yahoo or you can choose Bing. Now when you come over to here, the data is not going to be filled up. You'll obviously have the same monthly searches in CPC, however the competition and the average and lowest trust flow and everything's not going to be shown down here, in which case you'll actually see a refresh stats button, and I'll be showing you how to do this in a moment. But what this actually tells you guys is this data that comes on Yahoo, or the data that comes on Google, or the data that comes on Bing, it's going to be data based on the competition that's actually ranking in Yahoo, Bing or Google. So as you can see, if you have a look at the lowest trust flow, average trust flow there, in Google it's going to be totally different, in Bing it's going to be totally different, and in Yahoo it's going to be totally different as well, and each one of them is going to have a difficulty scoring as well. So this just tells you how difficult or easy it's going to be for the same keyword in the 3 different search engines. But let's just go down a little bit further and show you some more details. The long tail keywords are always going to remain the same, guys. However, for each search engine you're going to have different related terms, because the related terms are going to come from the search engines themselves directly. The competitors are going to be different because they're going to be Yahoo or Bing competitors and not Google ones, and your paid competitors are going to be different as well. The tags are going to be different based on the competitors, and to get LSI data, obviously it doesn't automatically get the LSI data from the 10 ranking sites in Yahoo or Bing, but you'd need to click the get data button. It'll tell you the AdWords as well, and obviously the categories, how to, suggestions and everything are going to be all exactly the same. But everything else will be different based on Yahoo and based on Bing, and based on the sites that are ranking for them. Okay, so let me just show you a quick search that hasn't been done. Let's go over to here, let's click on back pane, and it's going to go over to here, and let's go over to Yahoo. And as you can see, nothing here on Yahoo, but the areas that I was saying to you, long tail is going to remain the same, the related terms are going to be different, the competitors are going to be different, the LSI keywords, tags and AdWords and everything's going to be different, but everything else, such as the how-tos, categories, questions and trends, are going to be the same because they're not based on the search engines. So all you have to do here is click on refresh stats, and the software is going to go ahead and it's going to perform all of the searches for you on the search engine that you actually choose. So I'll press pause here, because this can take up to a minute again to get all the data, and then I'll come back when the data has been taken. Okay, so as you can see, we're on Yahoo and it's got all the data from Yahoo, and it's telling us the monthly search and CPC is going to remain the same, but the competition and everything else is going to be different. The actual related terms are going to be different, the organic competitors are going to be different, the tags are going to be different, and again, as I said, guys, to get the LSI keywords, the niche genetics needs to visit all of the top 10 sites. With Google, we do that for you automatically, and if you wanted to know what your LSI keywords were, or that Yahoo considers as LSI keywords, or something like what the top 10 sites have in common, and these LSI keywords, then you certainly can do. And you know, you're going to get all of your data on here as well for your competition. So this is going to show you your competition in Yahoo. So as you can see for back pane, every single site has got it in the title, in the URL, in the header. If we actually change over to Google, let's see how Google looks, and it's just a very good idea to get even further keywords that you wouldn't know, and at the same time it also allows you to see how each competitor differentiates, or how each search engine places more emphasis on certain areas than others. But yeah, as you can see, this is fierce competition. So in Google and Yahoo, you've got very fierce competition. Yahoo seems a little bit easier, and with Bing you can do exactly the same as well, guys. Hit refresh, and as mentioned, the monthly searches, CPCs, are always going to remain the same, the long tail keywords are going to remain the same. However, when it comes from data that we get from the search engines, such as the related terms, such as the competitors, such as the LSI keywords and the tags and the AdWords, then all of that is going to be based on getting it from the actual search engine. So this is exactly how you can work with this, guys, and it's very cool to find even further keywords to target, and also find out exactly how you can target specific search engines should you wish to target Yahoo and get a higher placement in Yahoo and Bing and Google at the same time. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy working with niche genetics.